Hello traders and friends. Today we're going to do some analysis on DAX index. And as most of you who has traded DAX know, that is very technical driven index. And you can count it with rounded numbers, and you can see it often turns around and or pull back, get up at rounded figures. When it comes to the 27th of November, you can see it performed a big rally up to the 9th of December. Then it consolidated. But Friday the 13th, it performed all-time high and a very nice top. And then it get a pullback down, and you can see it consolidated again at 19,700. A lot of traders get caught down here, and when it get up, it managed to do a double top, and but it didn't reach the all-time high. But now you can see maybe it's a new pullback down to this area. There you can find a lot of liquidity. And as you know, the market is and want to be in balance. So this is a great opportunity to get short, and it will get down to this liquidity and grab some money, and hopefully it can get with a big tail down here, and look up for all the stops that is around here, and then manage to do a big pull up to the all-time high and make a nice trip top. But as you all know, this is a 50-50 game. You have to be very careful about where it's going. But tomorrow, or as I sit here today, will be very interesting to see where it's going. It performed a doji, and as you know, a doji is about a 50-50. You don't know where it's going. It will be very interesting day tomorrow. But be careful out there, because the market is depending on all the sign about the global happiness or mishappiness. So be careful out there and take care. Have a nice evening, and good luck tomorrow.